Okay, everyone, we have another exciting update, and this has to do with your QuickBooks Online integration. So not only can you just pull expenses from QuickBooks, but also any bills created in QuickBooks that you have paid out, let's say, to your subcontractors. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to your Integrations tab in JobTread, click on your QuickBooks Online integration, and just make sure that the Pull Expenses toggle is on. So now if you have your bank connected to your QuickBooks Online account, you can then have, any of those expenses come through there. You will reconcile those in QuickBooks. And once they're reconciled with, the cost code and the cost type, then they'll push into JobTread and land in that job's budget. Okay, so let's see what that looks like. If we pop into one of these jobs here, now I can go into documents and I can see a few expense documents are here, and those are from QuickBooks. So that is a new document name, expense. And then we also can see them in our budget right here. And so if we scroll over to the job costing portion, we can then expand this to see our expenses in here from QuickBooks. Awesome. Now you'll also notice that we have this uncategorized line here. That means that this expense that was pulled over was not tied to a specific cost code or cost type from QuickBooks. And so the system couldn't automatically map that for you. So what you're going to want to do is go into your reports tab, and there's this new section at the bottom called cost mapping. Here's where it lists all of the bills and expenses pulled over from QuickBooks, and you can then change the budget line that they are tied to. So for one of those that may not have been mapped, you can go ahead and click on here and select where it belongs. That way it will move that document over to that line item. And again, now your job costing is all synced up between the two systems, and you can feel 10 times more confident to make sure that you're not missing a step. Thanks.